Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Nyara, and if you've been here, thank you so much for the support. So I feel like this video is going to be interesting. Very interesting because wow, and I really put my skills to test and I think I did well. I have never done such a hairstyle before. I have never like plaited my hair like this before, but it was my first time doing this hairstyle and it worked. And girl, look at me, I'm slaying. So guys, like as you have seen on the title, I'm going to show you how to do a cornrow updo and also how you're going to spice it up so that you can not only have the cornrows. If you feel like you're kind of idle and you don't have anything to do, then come on, I've got you. Like, I have a lot of hair tutorials on my channel that you can watch. So if you're new here, make sure to watch all other videos that I have on my channel. So without further ado, let's get to that video. I'm so excited. You guys don't laugh at me, but I really tried. I'll just like use a few braids to make it thicker as it goes on, because I really don't want them to be too small. Also, I already shampooed my hair. I used the leave-in conditioner and the shea butter. So the front is really easy. Where the hassle comes in is while doing the back, and I hope I'm going to do the back well because I've never done a cornrow updo style and this is my first time. I'm like, yo guys, I'm doing another hairstyle that I've never done before, so hopefully it's going to turn out well. But I know it's going to turn out well, crossing our fingers. So let's start reading. So guys, if you've not watched my cornrow video, like I said on my cornrow video, if you want to know how to cornrow, then first you have to know how to box braid. So anytime you do your cornrows, start with your own natural hair, then continue adding the braids as you continue plaiting, and that is what I'm going to do. So if you want a more natural look, make sure you braid your hair first. Use your own hair while doing the cornrow, then add the extension as you go on, or add the braid as you go on. So yeah, first of all, if you know how to box braid, then you can cornrow. Yes. So let's do this. Braid, the box braid in the middle, like, helps you balance. I don't know, so if you were to put like this box braid around here, if you wanted the side look, if you wanted your cornrow updo to have the side look, then you'd put it around here so that they can all meet there. So this is your center. This is going to help you know how you're going to like do your lines before you braid and all that. I hope I've not confused you guys, but this is like going to guide us through. So anytime I'm doing my cornrows, everything should meet around this place. If you can't do the fade-in cornrows, just do normal cornrows with your own hair and it will still look amazing. So guys, you can see. Okay, now guys, we are through with our braiding, and I want to show you guys different ways you can style this cornrow updo, so you do not have to like stay with the cornrows like that forever. So cause we are normally in the house because it's quarantine time, so anytime if you go somewhere and you feel like switching it up, you don't have to walk like this and feel like you're not all hot and all. So I'm going to show you guys how you're gonna flex this look and look amazing. Yeah, so yeah, I really have tried. I really have tried doing these cornrows because I've never done a cornrow updo. Normally I do cornrows going towards the back, but I've never done cornrows going upwards. So I feel like I've really tried, and at the same time I also feel like they are not really perfect, especially the back, guys. Doing a very neat line at the back was really hard, but I tried my best. At the end of the day, we tried. Yeah, we tried, but the front doesn't look really bad. So let me show you guys 3 types of extensions you could put on that could spice up this look. So if you'd stay like this normally in the house, then you can also use these other extensions to spice it up so that you cannot stay with one hairstyle. So the extension I have is this. I have had this for long. Yeah, so we are going to spray it so that it can detangle, so that we can detangle it. So if doing this cornrow updo is hard for you, you can actually get someone to do it for you, or you can do it on someone, then your other person can do it on you. That will be easier for you to like flex it, and we're looking good. Yeah, not so bad, only that it's blonde, and I feel like if we had a black one it would look really nice. But don't worry guys, I still have other extensions I'm going to show you, but either way we're still looking good. Check it out guys, check it out. So our next type of extension is going to be this. So this is a super dread. So this is super dread. It's from Sister. I think I have done this. I have used this hair to do the individual or the no loop individual crochet method. Get this similar extension, you can get it from Natural Hair Kenya. I think it is it like 22 inches long, not really sure, but it's really long. So like this up here. If you feel like this area is somehow plain, you can actually do a braid that you like use it there in the middle to make it look nicer. So we have reached the end of our tutorial, and guys, let me know what extension you loved, which extension you'd rock, the first, the second, or the third. But either way, I'm always happy to help you guys, even if it's helping only one person to like learn something new. Like, I'm always humbled that you guys take time to watch my videos and also like try the style and also try the styles out. To everyone who tagged me on IG while trying out these hairstyles, like big up. You guys are really doing well with your hair tutorial. We are on our journey to 4K subs, guys. We are growing. We are really growing. So yes, if you can help me share these videos, or if you can help me share my links, kindly please do. And don't forget to watch the ads. A girl just got monetized, so guys, also help me get these coins. It is what it is. Hard work pays. So thank you so much for always supporting me, guys. Give me a thumbs up because it definitely helps my channel out. Comment down below if you really loved this hairstyle. How do you think my skills are, especially cornrowing the back? It was a hassle. It can look easy, but it's not easy. But anyway, with time, I think I'm going to perfect. Yeah, we're signing out, guys. We are signing out. A girl is feeling hot and sexy. But anyway, till our next video. Bye. Mwah.